A Mistake, the latest film from director Christine Jeffs, plunges us into the heart of the medical profession. It's a world of high stakes and even higher expectations. The film doesn't shy away from the brutal realities of surgery. We see the meticulous procedures, the steady hands, we feel the weight of life and death decisions. Jeffs masterfully crafts an atmosphere of tension. Every scene crackles with the unspoken pressure faced by surgeons. At the center of this maelstrom is Elizabeth Banks. She delivers a career-defining performance as Dr. Jessica Lawson. Lawson is a top neurosurgeon at the peak of her career. She is brilliant and driven, but even the best can falter. A routine operation takes a devastating turn. We witness the unraveling of Lawson's carefully constructed world. Banks portrays this descent with heartbreaking authenticity. The film's power lies in its unflinching honesty. It doesn't offer easy answers or comforting resolutions. Instead, it confronts us with the complexities of human error. A Mistake is not simply a medical drama. It's a profound exploration of guilt, responsibility, and the human cost of striving for perfection. Jeffs' direction is masterful. She creates a palpable sense of unease. The camera lingers on faces etched with worry. The operating room becomes a battleground where every decision has life-altering consequences. The film keeps us on the edge of our seats. We are right there with Lawson, feeling the weight of each decision. Elizabeth Banks delivers a tour de force performance as Dr. Jessica Lawson. Lawson is a complex character. She is deeply committed to her patients. She is also fiercely ambitious, driven to be the best in her field. Banks captures this duality with nuance and depth. We see the dedication in her eyes, the unwavering focus. We also sense the vulnerability beneath the surface, the fear of failure that haunts her. When a routine operation goes wrong, Lawson's world is shattered. She is consumed by guilt and self-doubt. Banks portrays this emotional breakdown with raw honesty. We feel the weight of her responsibility. We understand the devastating consequences of her mistake. The film's success rests largely on Banks's shoulders. She carries the emotional weight of the story. Her performance is both powerful and deeply moving. We connect with Lawson's struggle. We feel her pain. It's a testament to Banks's talent that she can make us empathize with a character who has made such a grave error. Lawson's journey is a reminder that even the most skilled professionals are human. They are capable of making mistakes. These mistakes can have devastating consequences. But it is in these moments of failure that we truly see a person's character, how they cope with the aftermath, how they find the strength to move forward. Christine Jeffs directs with a sure hand. She understands the power of suggestion. She doesn't need to resort to melodrama. The tension builds organically through her masterful pacing and use of close-ups. We see the worry etched on the faces of the medical staff. We hear the frantic beeping of machines. Jeffs creates an immersive experience that pulls us into the heart of the operating room. Jeffs' camera becomes an invisible observer. It captures the subtle nuances of the actors' performances. A flicker of doubt in a doctor's eye, a trembling hand reaching for a scalpel. These small details speak volumes. They heighten the sense of realism and raise the stakes of the drama. The film's sound design is equally effective. The rhythmic beeping of heart monitors creates a constant undercurrent of tension. The clanging of surgical instruments is amplified, creating a sense of urgency. Jeffs uses sound sparingly but effectively. It heightens the impact of key scenes. A Mistake is a masterclass in suspenseful filmmaking. Jeffs doesn't rely on cheap tricks or jump scares. She creates a palpable sense of dread. We are left holding our breath, wondering what will happen next. It's a testament to her skill as a director that she can elicit such a visceral reaction from the audience. Section 4. The operating room on screen, a character in itself. The operating room becomes a character in itself. It's a sterile and unforgiving environment. The bright lights and gleaming surfaces create an illusion of control. Yet beneath this veneer lies the ever-present threat of chaos. Jeffs uses this setting to great effect. She contrasts the clinical precision of the medical procedures with the raw emotions of the characters. We see the operating room from different perspectives. Through Lawson's eyes, it's a place of intense focus. She is in her element, confident and in control. For the patient's family, it's a place of agonizing uncertainty. They wait anxiously for news, their hopes and fears hanging in the balance. Jeffs doesn't shy away from showing the emotional toll that surgery takes on everyone involved. The operating room becomes a microcosm of the medical profession itself. It's a place where lives are saved and lost, where every decision carries immense weight. Jeffs captures the inherent drama of this setting without resorting to sensationalism. She presents the operating room as it is, a place of both hope and despair. The film's visual style emphasizes the stark reality of the operating room. The color palette is muted, dominated by blues and greens. The lighting is often harsh, casting long shadows on the walls. This creates a sense of unease. It reminds us that even in this age of medical advancements, there are no guarantees. Section 5. The lasting impact. A film that stays with you. A Mistake is a film that stays with you long after the credits have rolled. It's a powerful and thought-provoking exploration of the pressures faced by medical professionals. The film doesn't offer easy answers. Instead, it raises important questions about accountability, forgiveness, and the limits of human ability. The film's impact is amplified by its realism. Jeffs avoids the melodrama and sentimentality that often plague medical dramas. Instead, she presents a grounded and authentic portrayal of life in a busy hospital. The characters feel real. Their struggles resonate with audiences. A Mistake is a powerful reminder that even the most skilled professionals are human. They are capable of making mistakes. These mistakes can have devastating consequences, but it is in these moments of failure that we truly see a person's character. The film is a must-see for anyone who has ever grappled with the weight of their own mistakes. It's a powerful and moving story about redemption, resilience, and the complexities of the human experience.